The first thing is to measure your fabric. Make sure it is the width of the whole box plus the sides. You can do a little extra if you're going to do this puckering technique. I'll show you that first. Just pucker that material. Now I'm going to stick it in the corner first just to start this out. Just go along the sides, pinching. Doesn't have to be perfect, but try to use up that whole side of the fabric in that area. Extra attention to the corners. Now we're doing the opposite side, and this time my first tack area is going to be the center. And then I'm going to pucker from this side over to the corner, and then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Just tacking it as I go. Put that bead of hot glue in there. It's a low temperature hot glue so that you can work with it with your fingers right away. Then you do the same thing for the other sides. Now I already did the third side, so I'm showing you just this last side. It gets easier too to fold down that hem-like area on the last side. Tuck, tuck, and add a little extra glue there, and then press against the side. And that is it. Silk fabric works really well with this too. Okay, we put some cotton on the bottom, measuring the fabric again, and we're going to glue this one side. Now this time we're not going to do as much puckering, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, for the sides, we're gonna fold the corners down as if you're wrapping a gift. And then you're gonna pull it back so that you have room to glue. And we're gonna glue that side. And then we're gonna fold down and fold again and stick it right against that glue. Now you're going to want to reinforce your corners too, but a little puckering in the sides there will give it that give. A little extra glue there. Now we're ready for adding our jewelry, our gifts inside the boxes. You might have to put a little more glue around the edge, whatever you need to do to make sure that it doesn't fall off. But then put your treasures inside And you can personalize this as well. You can pick out fabric that your person that you're giving the gift to likes. You could even do like Disney for kids.